So, I don't know whether this is really stupid or not, but I just bought a DDR milling machine. Mechanically, looks, to be honest, really very good condition. I don't know what it's like, I hardly examined it at all, but it looks mechanically like it's not worn out in any way. Could have a strip gear inside, I don't know. But this particular model doesn't have, this is the model. If anybody knows anything about these machines, please let me know, because it's quite difficult to get information. So this machine doesn't have a particularly extensive gearbox. What it does have, or what it used to have, is a little control gear in the back here. Basically with some kind of thyristor that controlled the speed of the main motor. So that the motor in the bottom there is the drive motor for if you're dealing with the carriages and things. And the top motor here is the main spindle motor for the Fres machine functions. And there's also, I think, in the bottom there's also a little motor on the left hand side for the oil, for the coolant pump. It looks like I also didn't get a coolant tray. I think they're supposed to be, well, they did have a coolant tray around the front here, which to be honest looks like it never had. What's that? Maybe those marks at the bottom are from a coolant tray slipping in or out. So the plan is, I'm going to try and find suitable replacements for these motors in 3-phase, swap them all out with a couple of VFDs and try and match all the, the limit switches and things for the VFDs. And that's the control box. I've got to definitely keep that somehow. I've got to wire that in so it works with the VFDs. Which I think the control signals will be 24 volts on the VFD, so I don't think that'll be a problem. Just a lot of work. And it's a big old milling machine. I haven't got any extra heads for it or anything. It'd be nice to have a slot-in head or something, I don't know what's available. Anyway, that's what I just did. And even more work